What if Antarctica is hiding something humanity was never supposed to find? Deep beneath miles of frozen ice, scientists detected strange geometric formations, buried structures, and massive underground anomalies that sparked one terrifying question. Could an ancient civilization be trapped beneath the most isolated continent on Earth? Antarctica is the coldest, most hostile place on Earth. Winds reach over 200 miles per hour. Temperatures can kill within minutes. Almost nobody lives there permanently. And beneath its endless frozen wasteland lies something even more unsettling, an entire hidden world. Over the last few decades, satellites, radar scans, and scientific expeditions have revealed strange formations buried under miles of Antarctic ice. Massive underground lakes, mountain ranges, unexplained heat sources, perfectly symmetrical anomalies. To most scientists, these discoveries are geological. But to conspiracy theorists, they suggest something far more disturbing. A lost civilization, one erased by time and buried beneath the ice for thousands of years. Tonight, we're diving into one of the internet's darkest mysteries: the theory that Antarctica may be hiding the ruins of an ancient forgotten world. And some of the discoveries are very real. For most of human history, Antarctica remained completely unknown. Ancient civilizations mapped continents, oceans, and trade routes, yet the southernmost part of Earth stayed hidden behind storms and deadly seas. Even early explorers feared it. By the 1800s, sailors described giant walls of ice stretching endlessly across the horizon. It felt less like a continent and more like another planet. Then explorers finally reached it. What they found shocked them. Antarctica wasn't just frozen land, it was enormous. Larger than Europe, covered by ice sheets over 2 miles thick, containing nearly 70% of Earth's fresh water. But the deeper scientists studied Antarctica, the stranger it became. Because beneath the ice, there was an entire landscape nobody expected. In the 1950s, radar technology changed everything. Scientists began scanning through the Antarctic ice sheets using radio waves. And hidden below the frozen surface, they discovered mountains. Entire mountain ranges, valleys, canyons, ancient river systems. Some of these formations had been sealed beneath ice for millions of years. Then researchers found something even more shocking: liquid water. Underneath Antarctica exist hundreds of hidden subglacial lakes trapped beneath the ice. One of them, Lake Vostok, is larger than some countries, completely isolated, possibly untouched for millions of years. And that discovery triggered massive speculation online. Because if water, heat, and entire ecosystems existed beneath Antarctica, people began asking, could something else survive down there too? One mystery fueled conspiracy theories more than almost anything else: the Piri Reis map. Created in 1513 by Ottoman Admiral Piri Reis, the map allegedly shows Antarctica without ice coverage, at least according to some researchers. If true, this would be impossible. Modern civilization officially discovered Antarctica centuries later, and humans supposedly never saw the land beneath the ice. So how could an ancient map depict it? Mainstream historians argue the claims are exaggerated. Many believe the map simply shows distorted coastlines from South America. But conspiracy theorists saw it differently. They believed the map was copied from even older ancient sources. Evidence of a forgotten civilization that existed before recorded history, possibly during a warmer prehistoric era, possibly destroyed by some ancient global catastrophe. And Antarctica became the center of the mystery. Then came one of the strangest military expeditions ever conducted. In 1946, the United States launched Operation High Jump. Officially, it was a large Antarctic training mission, but the scale shocked people. Over 4,000 military personnel, aircraft carriers, warships, submarines, aircraft. It looked less like exploration and more like preparation for conflict. Then rumors exploded online. Some claimed the mission encountered strange flying objects. Others believed secret underground bases existed beneath Antarctica. Some even connected it to alleged Nazi facilities hidden during World War II. There is no verified evidence supporting these extreme claims, but the secrecy surrounding Antarctica helped these theories spread for decades, because the continent has always felt inaccessible, hidden, almost detached from the normal world. And mystery grows fastest in places humans barely understand. Modern satellite imagery only intensified the speculation. Internet users began identifying strange shapes in Antarctic images, massive openings in the ice, perfect geometric patterns, dark structures resembling entrances, pyramid-shaped mountains. Videos claiming ancient ruins went massively viral. Some anomalies turned out to be natural formations. Others were image distortions or optical illusions. But a few remained difficult to immediately explain. And online communities became obsessed. Entire forums formed around the idea that governments were hiding discoveries beneath Antarctica, especially because access to large parts of the continent remains heavily restricted. To conspiracy theorists, that restriction itself became suspicious. Why protect an empty frozen wasteland so aggressively? One of the darkest theories involves Nazi Germany. During the 1930s, Germany conducted expeditions to Antarctica in a region they called New Swabia. Officially, they searched for territory and resources, but rumors later claimed something far stranger: secret underground bases, advanced experimental technology, even alleged UFO research. After World War II, conspiracy theories merged these stories into something enormous. Some claimed surviving Nazi scientists escaped beneath Antarctic ice. Others believed advanced hidden civilizations cooperated with them. Again, there is no credible evidence supporting these claims, but the combination of real expeditions, classified Cold War secrecy, and Antarctica's isolation created the perfect environment for myth-making. And once the internet arrived, those myths spread globally. Ironically, the real scientific discoveries are already incredible. Beneath Antarctica lies an ancient hidden ecosystem, unlike anywhere else on Earth. Scientists discovered microbes surviving in complete darkness under immense pressure. Some subglacial lakes may contain life forms isolated for millions of years. There are volcanic heat sources beneath parts of the continent. Entire buried mountain systems rival the Alps. And climate research revealed Antarctica wasn't always frozen. Millions of years ago, forests may have existed there. Dinosaurs once walked across land, now trapped under ice. That alone changes how humans imagine Antarctica, because underneath the frozen surface is a lost prehistoric world. Not necessarily a human civilization, but a completely different Earth buried by time itself. The lost civilization theory survives because Antarctica feels psychologically mysterious. Humans are drawn toward hidden places, especially blank spaces on maps, and Antarctica remains one of the few places on Earth ordinary people will probably never experience. No cities, no permanent civilization, no open exploration. Just endless ice concealing an unknown world beneath it. That uncertainty allows imagination to fill the gaps. And the more advanced technology becomes, the more people suspect powerful discoveries are being hidden from them. Especially in an age where governments, corporations, and institutions already struggle with public trust. So, is there really a lost civilization beneath Antarctica? Right now, there's no verified evidence proving ancient advanced ruins exist under the ice. Most mysterious formations have scientific explanations, but the real discoveries beneath Antarctica are still extraordinary. Ancient ecosystems, hidden lakes, buried mountain ranges, a prehistoric world frozen in time. And maybe that's why the mystery refuses to disappear. Because Antarctica reminds humanity of something unsettling. No matter how advanced civilization becomes, there are still enormous parts of our planet we barely understand, and under miles of ancient ice, the Earth may still be keeping secrets.